Welcome to my channel. Today we are learning daily speaking conversations. These are in present tense.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is John.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Are you from here?
No, I am from India.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
How old are you?
I'm 24 years old.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is my first time.
Are you new here?
Yes, I am new here.
Do you like it here?
Yes, I like it here.
At what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast.
How do you go to work?
By bus.
When do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
Do you had a lunch break?
Yes, I have lunch break at noon.
At what time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 p.m.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I cook dinner.
At what time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't work on weekends.
Are you busy during the week?
No, I am usually free.
Do you have a big family?
Yes, I have a big family.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have 2 sisters.
Where do your parents live?
They live in Mumbai.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
Is your family important to you?
Yes, my family is very important.
Are your parents strict?
No, they are not strict.
Do you like cooking?
No, I don't like cooking.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee in the morning.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I try to eat healthy food.
Are you a vegetarian?
No, I'm not a vegetarian.
Do you like a spicy food?
Yes, like spicy food.
Do you like eating out?
Yes, I like eating at restaurants.
What do you do in free time?
I read books and watching movies.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play cricket.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love listening to music.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I exercise regularly.
Do you play video games?
Sometimes I play video games.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is photography.
Is it COKD today?
No, it's warm today.
Do you prefer warm weather?
Yes, I prefer warm weather.
Do you drive?
Yes, I drive.
Is the traffic bad?
Yes, the traffic is bad.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a car.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use social media.
Do you play online games?
Sometimes I play online games.
Is technology important?
Yes, it is very important.
Do you like gadgets?
Yes, I like gadgets.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
Do you save money?
Yes, I try to save money.
Do you take vitamins?
No, I don't take vitamins.
Do you have neighbors?
Yes, I have nice neighbors.
Are you afraid of speaking English?
No, I practice every day.
Is your area quiet?
Yes, it is very quiet.
Do you have a garden?
Yes, I have a small garden.
Do you go to parties?
Sometimes I go to parties.
Do you meet friends often?
Yes, I meet friends weekly.
Do you like crowds?
No, I don't like crowds.
Do you have best friends?
Yes, I have best friends.
Is English difficult?
Sometimes it's difficult.
Are you shy?
No, I am not shy.
Do you make mistakes?
Yes, I make mistakes.
Is learning fun?
Yes, learning is fun.